and partner name is T. Hanif Ratna. We are from 7th standard in Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. We are here to present human digestive system. This is called alimentary canal. It contains salivary glands, buccal cavity, mouth, esophagus, stomach, gallbladder, pancreas, liver, large intestine, small intestine, rectum and anus. First you take food through the esophagus, it partially digests in stomach with help of uric acid. Liver is used to digest gallbladder stores by juice. Pancreas breaks down the carbohydrates, tax proteins into simpler form. After the waste will be large intestine, it passes through the rectum and anus. My next hand
bile juice. This is pancreas. This is 6 inches long. Pancreas release pancreatic juices. It ensures breakdown carbohydrates, proteins and fats into simpler forms. After the food goes to small intestine. This is small intestine. This is 7.5 meters long. It ensures breakdown carbohydrates into glucose, proteins into amino acids, fats into fatty acids. It digests 90% of nutrients. After the food materials goes to large intestine, it is 1.5 meters long. It takes the food, some salts and water from waste food material through rectum and anus. This is rectum, this is anus. The anus containing feces, it passes through time to time. This is called egestion. This is ingestion. This is digestion. This is absorption. This is egestion. The human digestive system is the important system in our body. Thank you one and all to visit my project. Madam Sir, my project is earthquake detector. My name is Vainu Tatri. I am from 6th standard, Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. My project is earthquake detector. Earthquake detector detects, indicates and earthquake vibrations. Uses a LED light to detect ground movements. Demonstrates seismology basics. Useful a disaster preparation to collect. Throw the light, go to another place. To demonstrate uses of this earthquake detector, it's all about safety and disaster preparedness. It combines electronic and real world application. It customized for this can be stored for more advanced projects. If you keep this when an earthquake is coming, throw the light. Earthquake is coming, that indicates this can be placed in every house. We can go to another place, throw the light.
LKG first standard.
Earthquake detector detect the earthquake using a simple components. Battery wise floodlight screw. Working normally screw is off or not connected. Doing earthquake causes vibrations to touch complete circuit. Floodlight blinks on and off indicating earthquake. Working. Battery provides power. Doing earthquake causes vibration. Screw or touch completed. Battery. Light blinks indicates on and off. Conclusion demonstrates earthquake using a simple circuit. Useful for demonstrates seismology and detector. Thank you. Visited my project.
Sir and madam, my name is Jyotis Naidu. I am from 6th class, Vivekananda English Medium School. My project name is working model. This is a very important part of it. The main function of lungs are supplying the oxygen to the carbon dioxide and I am hand on to
Air enters the body through nose or mouth. The first expand and lungs breathe air. Secondly, inside the lungs air passes through the two small tubes called bronchioles. The lungs push air into the containing carbon dioxide through the nose or mouth. This is inhalation.
లంగ్స్
This is exhalation. My name is Bachara. I am from 6th standard Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. Today I am presenting my project called carbon absorber. It is factory, it is chimney, it is carbon absorber, it is clean air. The theme of a carbon absorber, absorbing factory smoke and release clean air. Factory smokes a harmful gases that like carbon dioxide. I am select this project because air pollution is increasing. Factory smoke affects health. Who wants to protect the environment? Clean air is important for everyone. This instance is placed in the factory. The smoke goes to chimney into the carbon absorber with the help of a DC pump, which is placed in the carbon absorber. The polluted air is filtered and clean air comes out. This is clean air. I am hand over to next team member Sai Rupa.
My name is Sai Rupa. I am also 6th standard. Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. How it works? Factory smoke enters the absorbers. Special smoke enters the absorbers carbon dioxide. Harmful gases particles stored safely. Clean air is released outside. I am hand over to next team member Racharan.
Advantages: reduce pollution, improves air quality, protects health, help to control global warming. If we reduce carbon today, I can save our planet tomorrow. Carbon absorber is a step towards a cleaner and greener future. Thank you, my visited project.
My name is Ashley. I am from 6th class Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. Today I am present drip irrigation project. How it works in the system water supplied through a network of pipes. These pipes are fixed with different types of drippers. Fixed water pressure and release in very small quantity of water, ensuring the consistently moist native in India. Irrigation is the goals for farmers. Irrigation is a goal for farmers. Waters for regions. Compared to traditional flooding methods, saves up to 70% of water. Significantly both crops wild. Thank you. Irrigation is a modern farming method that delivers water directly to the plant's root zone in drop by drop farming involving wastage. It is also known as micro irrigation. This is tank, a tank well or borewell that supplies the water. This is filter, removes sand and prevent the pipes or drippers flowing from T&A exist partial. Thank you.
English Medium School, Makwa. My project name is Sound Gun. Use material, pipes, tape, 1 HW battery, I switch. Requirements: sodium and water. Wax lighter 5. This is a partnership is very important. That sound gun. Thank you.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ టీచర్స్ అండ్ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ సార్. ఇది ఎక్కడ పనిచేస్తుంది నేను చెప్తాను. ఇది రైతుల గురించి సార్. రైతులు పంటలు చేసినప్పుడు కోతులు, కుందేళ్ళు, పక్షులు పంటను పాడు చేసినప్పుడు ఎంతో నష్టపోతారు కదా సార్. అలాగైతే ఇది ఈ సౌండ్ చేసి ఆ కోతులు, పక్షులు అన్నిటికీ భయపడిపోయి సౌండ్కి పారిపోతాయి, ఇంకోసారి రావాలన్నా భయపడతాయి. అందుకే ఇది చేశాను. థ్యాంక్ యూ. ఎలా వర్క్ అవుతాయి నేను చెప్తాను.
మీదకు కలిసిన వర్ణం రే
వీడియో జాగ్రత్తగా తీయండి. ప్రొసీజర్ వస్తుంది. వాజ్ పెట్టావా?
అవును
పెట్టు, కరెక్ట్ పెట్టు, పర్లేదు. అవుతుందా? సౌండ్తో సహా రావాలా?
Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. My name is K. Mohammed from 7th class, Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. My project name is Electric Blind Sensor. It helps blind people. For example, blind people walk getting in the way, the sensor is activated, release the sound. What is it? It helps visual impaired individual impact in the environment. It is an electronic device. There are 3 types: concave lens, variable glasses, smart cave. And my project explained about my team member S.K. My name is S. class, My project name is Electric Blind Sensor. DJ object through direct physical contact, DJ ground level, hand in navigation, connection, prevention, increase independence, emergency safety. Thank you.
చూడండి, సైన్స్ అంతా అలాగే ఉంటాం.
Good morning, sir. Myself, I am passing class Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. My project name is Day and Night. Day, the sun, light falls on which every side of the globe Earth. It is will be a day. Night, the globe Earth is heavy. 6 hours. Heavy is divided to part of the night. Next hand over to right hand over. We see it.
Good morning, sir. Myself, C.S. Krishnan. I am from 7th class, Vivekananda English Medium School, Makwa. Today I am explaining about my project. My project name is Day and Night. Today we see sunrise and sunset every day. Day and night created around the sun. This is called rotation. The rotation is the west to east rotation. We see the earth completely turns for 24 hours. There are day follows night, night follows day. The sun is stable. The earth rotation about itself. This is called day and night. Thank you, sir. Thank you. This is my project. This is a night. This is a day. This is rotation.
పట్టుకోవాల్సింది టింగ్ పదరా మా వాడు అడ్డు చందుకే వెళ్ళట్లేదు
Cool water take into normal water. Cool water take normal. Browning faster.
అర్థమైందా?
Surface glass fluid. We can some contributions glass in
నీటిది కూల్ వాటర్లో మునిగిపోయిందా? అక్కడ ఏంటి అబ్జర్వేషన్ నీటి దాని ఏరీస్ నీటి కూల్ వాటర్కి మామూలు వాటర్ ఏరీస్ నీటి. చాలా స్లోగానే వస్తుంది కదా ప్యూరిఫై అవ్వాలంటే. ఇంకేంటి అక్కడ ఫ్లో ఉంటే చివరికి వచ్చేటప్పటికి అందరూ ఒకే దగ్గర గుంపులు ఉన్నారు. వీడియో సేమ్ బాగా వస్తాయి చెప్పండి. మీరు అయిపోయినా మీ దగ్గర చోట్ల పేరెంట్స్ అందరిని కవర్ చేసావా?
In summer, most of the people must use cooler.
వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు వచ్చి పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయండి. మీరు కూడా కనిపిస్తారు కదా మేడం. కొత్తగా ఇప్పుడు జాయిన్ అవ్వండి. కొత్తగా అంటే ఇప్పుడు జస్ట్ వచ్చారు కదా మ్యాచ్ అండి. సార్ అలాగా
And we take matchstick.
బైక్ పక్కన నమ్మకి
And finally, we see more than 5 on the water glass. The uses of the experiment. Night time and sometimes we go in these forests. Thank you for coming this experiment process. My name is George. I am studying 4th class. Where the English medium school proper. Our project name is A Parts of Faith and
మంది రటింగ్ పదం
This is a plant. This is a plant. This is a food system. This is a root system. Root system. That part of the plant that grows above the soil. Root system. That part of the plant that grows under the soil. This is a flower. This is a bud. This is a seed. This is a leaf. This is a fruit. This is a stem. This is a root. Flower rose is a different flower. Bud. A small grain on a plant from which on a flower of rose leaf. A leaf is an important part of the plant. Fruit. Tomato is a fruit. Seed. Part of the plant. The part of the plant contains seed. Stem. Stem support flowers, leaves, fruit and branches. Root. Root is an important part of the plant. Thank you.
ఎక్కడ ఉండే తెలుగు పేరెంట్స్ చూడండి. పేరెంట్స్ మేడం
You sit at your place.
Environmental pollution is a very big problem. It makes non-pollution is a non-point sources pollution. Non-pollution can be divided into two main parts. Moving towards. Thank you.
అదే ఎందుకు ఎవరెవరు వచ్చారు
ఫ్రంట్కి రండి కొంచెం.
This is a road, this is a tree, this is a wood, this is a non-pollution, this is a tree, this is a house, this is a coconut tree, this is a lantern.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
An air cooler is a device that cools the air. Air cooler cools the air. It relieves the heat. It is a method of dispatching heat. Doctor, my name is Reza. I am studying in English medium school. Good morning, everyone. My son is
చూడండి మాది అడిగారు చెప్పబోతున్నారు. అది చెప్పేస్తున్నావు అది కొంచెం ఐదు దగ్గరగా పెట్టి చూస్తే మీకు దాని థ్రిల్ తెలుస్తుంది. What is the use of periscope?
తీయాలి వర్ణం.
ఏంటి వాళ్ళకి అర్థమైందా? నువ్వేం చెప్పావు? దీని యూజ్ ఏంటి? వాట్ ఈస్ ద యూజ్ ఆఫ్ పెరిస్కోప్? సబ్మెరీన్ అంటే ఏంటి? సముద్రం లోపల ఉండే షిప్ అంతేనా? వాటర్ లోపల ఉండే షిప్ అయినా దాంట్లోంచి ఇది ఎలా చూస్తారు? చూపించి ఎవరికైనా చూపించాలి. చూపించి ఎలా ఇది నువ్వు ఇలా చేసి ఇలా పెట్టి ఇలా చూస్తే వాటర్ లోపల ఉంటారు సోల్జర్, ఇది పైన ఉంటుంది, మొత్తం వాటర్లో మునిగి ఉంటుంది అంతేనా? మరి చెప్పు, చూపించు. ఎవరైనా చూపించావా? చూడండి చూడండి. ఏం లేదు, జస్ట్ అదేంటి ఇది భూమి లోపల ఉంటుంది. ఆ పైన కనిపించడం కోసం డిజైన్ చేయబడి ఒక స్కోప్. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ పెరిస్కోప్. అది ఎక్కువ ఎక్కడంటే ఆర్మీలో సోల్జర్స్, ఆ తర్వాత అక్కడ పెరిస్కో ఏంటంటే సబ్మెరీన్ లో సోల్జర్స్ మనకు కనిపించాం, బట్ వాళ్ళు మనకు కనిపిస్తారు. అలాంటి ఫాస్ట్ చిన్నపిల్లలు కదా, దే పర్ఫార్మ్. పైన స్ట్రైట్ అక్కడ ఏం లేదు, మీ ఎదురుగా చేస్తే స్ట్రైట్ బాడే ఉంది, కానీ ఆ పైన
ఇదిగోండి మీ బాటిల్.
ప్రోగ్రామ్